I'm Jenny Williams with Extra Living at eXp Realty, coming to you today with a message that really needs to be heard, especially in this market. This air conditioning unit right here is original to the house, which is 2006. That makes it 15 years old. Who wakes up one morning and says, you know, our HVAC systems are coming toward their end of their useful life. Let's go ahead and get them replaced. No one. That's who. Nobody does that. You only wait until it goes out and you realize a day later that you're sweating inside your house, and then you're in a panic to get your service person over to fix, repair, or to go ahead and replace your AC units at that time. So I want to make sure that you know, when you're looking for a house in this market, just because the home inspector says that your HVAC systems are at the end of their useful life, it doesn't mean that they're not working properly. So you want to ask more questions. Yes, they're probably going to go out eventually, but I've seen systems last for 40 years. And you know, this one is getting toward the end of its useful life. It's going to stay right here until we are sweating inside. Just make sure you have a great agent who can negotiate a home warranty for you and know what those home warranties say when it comes to replacing your HVAC units. For a home seller, what you want to do is make sure you have a good service option and plan for your HVAC systems, so your company comes out, services the unit twice a year, and make sure that it's in good working order as long as it can be.